Today, we're breaking down the key warning signs every driver should recognize. Warn shock absorbers don't just affect comfort. They compromise control, stability, and safety. So let's walk through the symptoms that reveal when your shock absorber is no longer doing its job. Symptom number 1, excessive bouncing. If your car keeps bouncing after hitting a bump, your shocks are weak. A good suspension should settle in 1 or 2 motions, not bounce like a trampoline. Symptom number 2, nose diving when braking. Press the brakes and the front end dips hard. That's a classic sign your front shocks can't control the weight transfer. Symptom number 3, rear squatting on acceleration. Hit the gas and the back of the car sinks. Your rear shocks might be worn and unable to support the load. Symptom number 4, uneven or cupped tire wear. Shocks control how the tires stay in contact with the road. If they're worn, you'll see scalloped or cupped patterns on your tires. That's money burning away. Symptom number 5, poor handling and unstable steering. A bad shock absorber makes your car feel floaty, shaky, hard to control. You'll especially notice this at highway speeds. Symptom number 6, longer stopping distance. Worn shocks reduce traction during braking. That means your car takes longer to stop, and that's a real safety risk. Symptom number 7, oil leaking on the shock. If you see oil dripping or coating the shock body, the internal seals have failed. Once it leaks, it's done. Time to replace. Symptom number 8, excessive body roll in corners. Take a turn and feel the car lean like a boat. Your shocks aren't controlling the body movement anymore. Symptom number 9, rough, uncomfortable ride. If every small bump feels like a big one, your shocks have lost their damping ability. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Bad shocks affect your comfort, your control, and your safety. Check them, replace them, and keep your car riding smooth. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe.